Best regard, teacher. My name is Wendy Rebolledo, and today I will talk about the personal carbon footprint. Well, what is this? The personal carbon footprint is an indicator that analyzes the totality of greenhouse gases emitted by a person directly or indirectly, and it is calculated in units of carbon dioxide. And this information is useful to know how we are impacting the environment. But what are the consequences of this in our world? And what action should we take? To answer these questions, I will make a synthesis between the information obtained from the interview, the annex to, and my research. Well, from the time we get up, until go to the bed, we generate CO2 emission in each daily activity, and this CO2 is responsible for almost 97% of the global warming because it prevents the normal cooling of the earth, causing a climatic imbalance. For instance, nowadays we can see some volcanic eruption due to this warming, and also we can see a thaw in the polar ice caps and floods in the tropical areas. And what to do to reduce this? Regarding the transportation, which is one of the daily activities that more CO2 generate, we can take the option to walk or ride a bicycle if the distance is short, and that is good for our health. If the distance is long, we can take public transport or share a car. Also, we should consume more vegetable and less meat and processed food to avoid pollution by methane and CO2. Respect the energy. Disconnect the electrical devices and the cell phone chargers. If you live in a hot city like my beautiful Babahoyo, build large glass windows to take advantage of the fresh air and natural light, or use fan, not air conditioning. Okay? And the most important to me, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Don't burn the garbage. Classify it according to its composition: plastic, paper, glass, metal. Nowadays you can sell it and earn some money. My mom does that. Yes. The option to offset this delivery are extensive but the time in my bureau is short. In conclusion, our world is beautiful, so beautiful. Don't neglect it. Let's change our daily actions to reduce our personal carbon footprint to have a better world and be happy. Okay? Thank you so much, teacher. This is my task.